Welcome to Wish2Go. This system brings together machine learning, audio transcription, LLM, and IoT technologies to create a personalized blessing experience. Our system combines several technologies. User's prayer gesture is detected by ultrasonic sensor and classified using Edge Impulse model. NeoPixel LEDs light up when gesture detected, and the photon signals a Flask server to record the user's wish. Audio is transcribed via Whisper API and sent to ZeroWits LLM for blessing generation. Finally, the blessing is printed by a thermal printer. Diana focused on gesture detection and LED integration. Her first challenge was training the Edge Impulse model to classify a prayer gesture. After collecting over 400 data points and multiple failed attempts, she successfully built a high-accuracy model. Next, she struggled to make the NeoPixel LEDs respond. She resolved the problem by connecting the LEDs to the Photon's VUSB pin. Diana also worked on connecting and testing the thermal printer and achieved the blessing printing with Clara. Clara tackled audio recording and processing. She successfully built a LLM model in ZeroWits and worked on setting up the Flask server and troubleshooting JSON data transfer. However, using the Photon for audio storage failed due to memory limitations. She switched to computer-based recording with FMPEG, which resolved the issue. She worked together with Diana to solve the audio timeout problem, which were solved by shifting to TCP communication. Finally, Clara 3D printed the Christmas tree model, enhancing the system's visual appeal. Here is the complete system workflow. A user performs the prayer gesture, the ultrasonic sensor detects the gesture, and the Edge Impulse model classifies it. NeoPixel LEDs light up, the Flask server records the user's wish, transcribes it using Whisper API, and sends the text to ZeroWits LLM to generate a blessing. Finally, the thermal printer prints the blessing, delivering a personalized message. We also 3D printed a Christmas tree and decorated it to add visual appeal and a festive touch to our project. Despite early setbacks, we successfully built a functional system. Diana refined gesture detection with Edge Impulse and implemented NeoPixel LEDs for visual feedback. Clara overcame audio recording challenges by switching to FFmpeg and resolved JSON transfer issues with TCP communication.
I want to get an A+ for my final project.
Together, we integrated Whisper API, ZeroWits LLM, and the thermal printer for a seamless user experience. This framework could enable emotionally adaptive systems, collaborative interactions, and AI-personalized outputs, with potential applications in healthcare, safety, and creativity. This project combines gesture recognition, machine learning, Whisper API, and LLM with thermal printing to bridge human emotion and advanced technologies seamlessly.
Thank you for watching and a Merry Christmas!